Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing one tight niche and a single value promise because clarity attracts repeat viewers. Once chosen, craft a 0.3-second hook that promises a payoff. This prevents early drop-off. Record vertically in 9, 16 and keep the clip under 60 seconds, ideally 15-30 seconds, to maximize retention metrics. Also, make sure lighting and audio are clean. Viewers forgive rough visuals but not inaudible audio. Begin posting immediately. You learn faster by testing real uploads than by endless planning. Once you have raw clips, edit to front-load the main point in the first 3-7 seconds so the algorithm rewards watch time. Use captions, fast cuts, and sound effects to boost engagement. People watch with sound off, but audio hooks convert. Make a repeatable format and visible branding so viewers recognize your content instantly. Post 3-5 times per week and a /B test thumbnails, captions, and publish times. Then iterate. Keep what lifts retention, drop what doesn't, and scale winners quickly. You finish by measuring the right KPIs: average watch time, retention percentage, CTR, and subscriber gains, then double down on patterns that work. Repurpose high retention seconds into fresh shorts and use trending sounds selectively to get discovery boosts. If growth stalls, troubleshoot the obvious. Change the first 3 seconds, swap thumbnail text, or test a contrasting hook. Finally, make incremental changes, monitor results for 7-14 days. And be patient. Algorithmic lifts compound when retention and consistency align.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.